How to change the UV lamps?
The system contains 8 lamps arranged in a circular fashion with a 4-pin connector at the bottom. Detach the lamp to be replaced from the connector. Always hold the lamp in the middle and near the connector and pull it upwards gently. Remove the lamp from the top. Put the lamp carefully into the cage.
On the lamp, this distance is 8 mm and this distance is 6 mm. And on the connector pins, this distance is 8 mm and this distance is 6 mm.
While inserting a new lamp into the connector, make sure the connector holes are aligned with the tube's connector pins and insert downwards. Insert the top end of the lamp into the hole in which you want to connect the lamp. Insert its bottom end towards the opposite side in the designated hole in which you want to connect the lamp. The tube should be snug fit into the connector.
Thank you.